Alright, now in this video we are going to learn about the dictionaries. Now the dictionary in Python is also part of a data collection like category. So let's get started learning about the dictionaries. So I'm going to make a data is equal and dictionary is always denoted with the curly braces. Now this curly braces denoted that we're making a dictionary. Alright, so now in this curly braces we will add our data dictionary sets. So let's suppose I'm going to make a dictionary of Intel brand. So I'm going to use the keys and values. Now what are the keys and values? Dictionary are always work on the keys and values. To understand the keys and values, I have a simple example. Let's suppose I'm going to create a key brand semicolon and Intel. Alright, so what is happening? Now this brand is a key and Intel is a value. Okay, so this semicolon tell that which is key and which is value. The right side of the semicolon tell it is value and left side of semicolon tell it's key. Okay, so let's create more data. I'm gonna make a processor key. Alright, and this processor key holding a value which is Core i7. Alright, let's create another key which is generation. Now this generation holding a value 7th. So before we're going to print it, I want to clear one more thing. So we need to add a comma because I expanded. So we already learned that in the array section, because dictionary is also part of an array. So in array section, to adding more variable data, we use comma. Alright. So when I'm adding a comma, now we're going to print it out. I'm going to save it, Control S. Okay, we get brand, Intel, processor, Core i7, and generation 7. That's correct. Okay, so what if we want a specific value to be printed? So suppose I'm gonna want to print it the processor only. So I just add the processor. Okay, now let's gonna print it out. Control S again. Okay, Core i7 is the correct information we get from it. So this is how you can retrieve the specific information. Alright, so let's suppose you can want to change the value in it. Okay, let's suppose data, and I want to change the brand. Let's suppose, so I want to change the generation. Okay, so now the generation will be changed by adding 8 now. So I just add brackets. Now in this bracket I just type the generation, forget about the chords. Alright, now the generation is saved by the 8th value. Control S and let's see the result. Okay, we get brand, Intel processor, Core i7, and generation 8. So our value changed from 7th to 8th. So this is the easy method to change the key of the dictionary. Alright, so the functions that we use in the list is same as in the dictionary functions. Alright, now in this video we're going to learn a little bit more about the list and dictionaries. So let's get started learning. Okay, I'm gonna make an array variable and saving a list data, and in this list data I'm gonna save numbers. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, only 6 numbers. Okay, so if I want to know how many values I have in my list, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use a len function. Alright, so let's use print, and in this print I'm gonna use a length function, start from len. Okay, now in this len function I'm providing my array, which is a variable. Okay, now this len function will count how many data I have in my list. So Control S and let's see the result. Okay, 6 variable printed out. So this is the 6 values, and that's correct. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values in my array list. So this is how you can use the len function to count the length of your list data. Okay, same we can do with the dictionary. So let's change it with the dictionary. Alright, so I'm going to provide a car key, and its value will be Honda. Alright, its color may be blue. I like blue. So, comma, Control S. Now it will count how many keys I have in my array dictionary. So let's Control S and let's see the result. Okay, I have two keys in my array dictionary. So that's the correct answer. So this is how you can use the length function to find your array dictionary over list length. Alright, I hope you like this class and I hope you will learn more about dictionary and list in the Python documentations. So meet you in the next class.